We never grow in places of comfort and stagnation. If you are comfortable at the moment with how things are going in your life, you need some stirring, my brother, my sister. If you are I'm very comfortable with my schedule, I'm very comfortable with how things are going, thank you very much, you are not growing, I can tell you now, sin is waiting around the corner. David when he was supposed to be at war, he was so comfortable he didn't go to war when kings went to war. And I'm sure he had an excuse. I'm sure David could have gone. He was called the king of war. That man has been in more wars than you and I can ever imagine. He had every excuse like, God, I've worked hard. I've defeated many of the enemies of the nation of Israel. I just want to take a break. There's a nice view. Hello. Over here. And then he goes, yeah, whatever. Why? Because he was comfortable. And if you're in a place where you feel comfortable, I want to say to you, you're not growing. It's not long before you're going to drift. We don't grow in places of comfort and stagnation.